Hi, so this question is unique number of occurrence. So given the integer array, you want to return true if the number of occurrence of each value in the array is unique. So yeah, it should be straightforward enough. The constraint is here. It's not a big number, so you can basically create a map. And then key will be the integer, right? Integer represent the value inside the array. And value for the map is going to be frequency, right? So later on I will traverse a map again and using my set to verify have I seen this frequency before or not. If I do, then I will just return false, right? So let's just stop coding and then let's see what we can do. So map hash map, I'm going to say integer, right? Integer map equal to new hash map. And then for in array map.put a map.get or default a comma 0 plus 1. So if there's value inside my map, I add one frequency. If not, I initiate to 0. Then later on we'll just say a hash set. I'm gonna put it into the integer and using the name to say sim and then hash set. So I'm traversing my key map.key set, right? I'm gonna add the frequency. Into my set. So if set.add frequency. So this one mean if the frequency does not inside the set, I add here. This will return true because there's no frequency has been added into the set. If this return false, it means there is one value inside my set. So I will return false based on set.add, and then I have a negation for that. So this will telling this is telling me okay, there's a duplicate. So I can return true at the end. So it's gonna be seen. Yeah, made typo. Submit. Yeah. So if you want to make it beautiful, it can be like this. Still the same. And time is space. This is space. This is a space. This is a time. All of A. This is all of key. Key is from all of A. So the worst case for time is all of A. The space is the time is all of A. The space is also all of A. You add every single value into the hash map. So this is using hash to write a solution. So we can actually using the counter array. So let's look at this. So I have a counter array, new int. So the range is between -1000 to +1000. So the range is going to be, I need the size of 2001, right? And then I will just traverse my array, and I will just add my A into my counting array. However, A might be negative value, right? So I need to say A plus 1000. So I start from 0. So index 0 represent this guy, -1000, and then -999 represent index 1, and then so on. Alright, so I also need to create a boolean array, new boolean, size of the 2001. Then I will traverse from I to 0, I less than, counting array.length and I plus plus. So if counting I is actually equal to 0, which means it does not, inside my in array, I can continue. So if anything is not equal to 0, which means it's a frequency, right? So I'm going to just say, so it's going to be sim.counting I will be true for the first time. So if I sim this again, I will have to return false, right? So in this case, you don't need to add 1000s over here because you're starting from what? 0 to 2001. Alright, so you'll return true over here and submit. Alright, for time and space is actually I think it's simpler. So space, I would say constant, but yeah, actually not, but I would say constant because it's actually constant. Times all of A, this is constant, right? This is 0 to 2001. So I would say, this is constant. This is all of A. For the time, it's going to be all of A. Space is constant in my opinion. Alright, if you have question, leave a comment. I will see you later. Bye.